Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. Today we're looking at limiting what you can see in terms of an Excel workbook to just the area that you want to see. So for example, making sure that inside an Excel workbook, the only thing that you can see is actual content. So for this workbook in front of me here, I only use columns A and B. I don't use any of the other columns and I don't use any of the rows. I might need a few extra in time, but I certainly don't need thousands upon thousands of rows. So let's see how we would just limit this workbook to only show this sort of area here. So what I'm going to do is select the first column that I want to get rid of. I'm going to leave myself an extra column just in case. So I'm going to start with column D. So I'm selecting and clicking on the top here so that the entire column D is selected with its column letter. I'm going to hold Shift and Control. And as I do, I'm just going to tap the right arrow key. And what that does is it automatically selects all the columns in the worksheet from column D all the way across to the very end of the current worksheet. Now I'm going to the Home tab on the ribbon. I'm going to Format. I'm going to drop this down and choose Hide and Unhide. And what I've got selected here are columns, so I'm going to select Hide Columns. And that automatically hides all those excess columns. And so we're down to just columns A, B and C. So now we're going to look at the rows. I'm just going to determine exactly how many rows I do want in this worksheet. I think from 21 down I don't. So I'm going to target the number 21, just click on that because that selects not only the row number but also the entire row. Again, hold down Shift and hold down Control and then just tap the down arrow key once. And that takes us down over 1,000,000 rows. So it's a one keystroke selection. Very, very handy, that one. You certainly don't want to be using the down arrow key to get down there. So again, back to the Format option up here. We're going to Hide and Unhide, and this time we want to hide rows. So what we've got left inside this worksheet is just like a mini worksheet. We've just got columns A, B and C, and we've got up to 20 rows. Now if we need another row, we can just click on it here and we can choose Insert and Insert Sheet Rows. And so that will give us another row. So it's not like we've deleted them. We're still able to get the number of rows and columns that we want, but we're not cluttering up the screen with a whole lot of content that we don't need to see. I hope that this video has helped you see how you can limit what's visible on your screen to what you want to see. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you'll be alerted when new videos are released. Until next time, my name's Helen Bradley. Thank you so much for joining me here on my YouTube channel.